The Sanctuary of Sound, an architectural protocol for sonic PTSD in the Korean DMZ, demilitarized zone. Invisible violence. For 60 years, sound was used as a weapon across the Korean DMZ. Loudspeakers across the border broadcast siren, propaganda, and sound of bombing played on a loop. Through the night, residents of Kumsan-ri knelt before the National Assembly. They asked for silence. Real war would have sounded the same. The body cannot tell what is real, it only responds. Hypervigilance, sleep disruption, anticipatory anxiety, chronic cortisol, collective trauma. The broadcast stopped, the trauma did not.